garden has this crazy hole in it. Oh shit, look at
wet all
that.
over.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
I feel like we're in a thing from birds.
Like, why am I getting wet? Dude, I swear to God, something's getting wet all over.
Maybe we shouldn't be here because they're like all in the trees. They're like pooping all over us.
That's what I said. Oh God, yeah, probably. Look at him right here. Look at him right here.
Check this out. What's this place called again, Pat?
Myakka River.
At the Myakka River.
They're all up in this tree, man.
In this big tree, there's vultures everywhere. And then whatever this little bird is, I'm going to try to get in on it. Oh, here, there's more that are closer. I don't know if they're mad at me or what. I'd make a cool little video.
Like 20.
I know, I feel like I'm in a thing from birds.
Yeah, that Hancock film. Yeah.
Let me walk out here and show you guys the rest real quick. Just a little short vid. Beautiful out here. So that was crazy. Yeah, look at that. That was all above me. Glad I didn't get pooped on. Check that out. Just thought I'd do a short little video. Probably put this online. There's the whole tree. Alright, everyone.